start.
Michael.
Best agile coach in the universe.
REwired for McKinsey. I'm Michael here, best agile coach in the universe according to the Martians. And I've heard people from Venus are also liking this channel. And if you like it, please subscribe and like it. So recently one of my clients said, hey, there's this new book, REwired by McKinsey. It is so new that they don't call it just a digital transformation. It is a digital and AI transformation. Go figure. You know, when McKinsey starts writing books about agile and business agility and digital transformation, you know something's up. And it's an interesting book. For sure, go grab it, read it. Very hefty pages. They definitely invest in a lot. You know, when McKinsey invests in the book, they invest all, go the whole 9 yards. My main challenge is the concept of rewiring. It's funny because McKinsey is taking the knowledge from the industrial age and trying to apply it to the software digital age. In my experience, it doesn't really work. So while there are great ideas inside the book about customer experience, about pillars, the tables and the mindset of industrial age thinking applying to digital age, it's like trying to follow the road, the previous road, where actually you're carving new paths. And these new paths are not about rewiring, they're about thinking differently. I guess one of my biggest ahas from the last decade or so of implementing agile and scaled agile and business agility has been that the old principles, the old ideas really don't hold very well when you're trying. We need new compasses, we need new ideas, we need truly disruption and not the same old tables and matrices and 2x2s and what have you. So go grab that book, it's not too bad. You can grab one of my books, Agile PMO, still rolling high there. I'm Michael, your best agile coach in the universe according to the Martians. Thank you.